Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Tylac. Welcome, Tylac. Welcome. Hey, Michael. Welcome, Michael. Hey, Anthony. Welcome, Anthony. Welcome. All right, guys. Let's go over the markets. Boy, this market is very resilient. All right. Big update. All right, on the markets. Dow was up 348 points on the Dow. Nasdaq 47. S&P was up. Even the Russell was up today. So we got a nice bounce today. All right. Big picture, still intact. Amazing, right? You guys know we had a big sell-off the other day. But look at the Dow. Dow is right here. All right. Continuing to move higher. If we have an update tomorrow, we could be in new high territories on the Dow. All right. Weekly time frame still holding. Nasdaq, guys, this is how close we are to the Nasdaq. All right. Breaking all-time highs. All right. On the Nasdaq right here. S&P. All right. S&P. That 5,000 mark. We know we're making all-time highs. We're making new highs. But that 5,000 mark was a big deal. We got a bit of a pullback yesterday, but guess what? We closed above 5,000 again today. Okay, so great move in the S&P. Russell, all right, pulled back and broke out. All right, not near all-time highs. All-time highs all the way up here on the Russell. But moving higher. So this market, guys, very, very, very strong. All right. We should have noticed a pullback on the dollar. All right. On the dollar, got a pullback here. Now we had a green candle coming in here on the weekly time frame. So this week we had a green candle. Now it's a white candle here. All right. So keep an eye on those dollar pairs. All right. A bit of a pullback. Remember, as the equity markets move higher, dollar moves lower. When equity markets move lower, the dollar will move higher. Pound yen, all right, a bit of a pullback today. All right, bit of a pullback, but still holding. And we'll take a look at those yen pairs also. All right, yen in the futures market just holding support there. Okay, all right, so big move in equities today. Okay. All right. Let's go through current positions. Right. Current positions in Monster Scalper. We will take a look at the US 30. I know some of you took that trade on the US 30. Good job. Good job taking that trade. Okay. On the US 30. Current positions. Current positions in Monster Scalper. Okay. Let's go through those. All right. Dollar CAD, USD, CAD. All right. Buy signal was here. All right. We talked about this. You're going to see a pullback in the dollar pair. So red candle here. So if you got into that trade, close the trade, please. All right. So buy signal was here. Red candle, close the trade. So USD, CAD, close that trade. USD, CZK. It's still holding buy signal all the way down here. Holding right now, right here. We've got white candles here. Keep an eye on this one here. All right. We need a bounce. All right. So we need to recapture that moving average. White candle here still holding. All right. Good trade going here, but really keep an eye on it. We need buyers to come back in, recapture that moving average. Okay. If you get a red candle sell signal, absolutely close the trade. So good trade going. USD, CZK. Again, buy signal here. Holding right here. We need buyers to come back in. Okay. All right. USD HUF. All right. Buy signal here. Just a pullback. All right. We've got support. Let's move this. Support right here. Here is the buy signal. White candle. Right candle right here. And we've got buyers trying to come back in. Holding support here. Previous resistance is support. Good trend line. We just need buyers to bounce in, come back up, and move up. All right. USD SGD, guys, buy signal was here, right here, right here. Red candle came in today. All right. If it wasn't for this red candle here, we could stay in. All right. Because it looks like we could continue to move higher, just like here. Red candle, close the trade, please. All right. Follow your process. USD SGD, close the trade, please. All right. Dollar Swiss, USD CHF. All right. A bit of a pullback, buy signal here, holding white candles here. We could move this trend line up. If you get a red candle there, just close the trade. It's holding right here, white candles here. So hold the trade for now. USD DKK. All right, red candle here. Buy signal was here. Red candle closed that trade. Not very good trading here. We were hoping that these trades here would, especially USD DKK, would go along with the group, but it's failed. All right, so buy signal here, red candle. All right, close the trade. USD DKK. Dollar ZAR, same thing here. Buy signal was here, failed to stay above resistance, red candle. All right, and also broke the trend line here. So close the trade, please. USD dollar ZAR. All right, so just keep in mind as the equity markets move higher, guys, now that they're moving higher again, will put pressure on the dollar pair. So if you trade in the dollar pairs, all right, keep an eye on those. Okay. All right. Dollar yen is holding. All right, dollar yen is holding now. Dollar yen is tricky. It's part of the dollar group, but it's also part of the yen group. All right, the yen pairs will tend to move higher with the equity markets. Okay, so dollar yen buy signal here, holding all green candles here. Nothing to do. Okay, HKD, JPY. This one here is holding buy signal here. Right, a bit of a pullback. Retracement, but holding all green candles. Looks like we'll get a bounce, move higher, perhaps test resistance here. Purple support and resistance, but looks fine so far. EUR JPY. All right, buy signal here, holding nicely here. Looks to break resistance. Okay. We'll take a look at the futures to see what's going on, because that could help us overnight. Okay, with the yen pairs. Okay, so buy signal here. Here we are, right at resistance to break out. All right, too late to get into this. All right, this is up over 160 pips already from here to here. I know it doesn't look like it, but it's gone up quite a bit already. HKD JPY. All right, that's holding. Pound yen. Let's see what pound yen is doing. This is too bad here. Pound yen, a red candle. All right. Boy, that's too bad. Okay, that's too bad. But we've got to get out of it. All right, red candle here. I know buyers are coming back in. There's a good chance that this will move higher, but we're gonna close it. Okay, that's too bad. All right, for pound yen. And we have a red down here. You guys see that here. All right, so all right, CAD yen, that's holding fine. All right, a bit of a pullback, white candles, big buyers came in today, big candles right here, looking to break through near-term resistance. We'll move it here. All right, near-term resistance, move that right here. All right, so we could get a nice break of resistance there. TRY JPY is usually tricky. All right, so that closed here. All right, buy signal was here, closed here. All right, so just what we were hoping is got a really good markdown phase. We'll bring this here. These Turkish pairs can be tricky. All right. So it's in a tight consolidation in here. So perhaps the next trade might work out. Okay, so very tight consolidation, but this is a really good markdown phase there. All right, we'll keep an eye on it. So TRY, JPY, remove that trade. All right. All right. Now we do have some shorts. We were shorting the inverse, so euro, dollar, and Aussie dollar, and I'm sure those pull back as well. Let's take a look here. So Aussie dollar right here. All right, buy sell short signal here, green candles. Yep, they reversed. Close the trade, please. So Aussie, if anyone's trading it, Aussie dollar, close that trade, please. All right, and then euro dollar, same thing. Sell short signal is here. All right, and green candles here, close the trade. Now, these were low in the markdown phase. So keep an eye. We might take a look at the Aussie group tonight. Okay, we might see an early move in the Aussie. Let me make a note here, and Kiwi pairs, the New Zealand pairs. Okay, so we'll take a look at those in Monster Scalper. Okay. All right, so close those trades, please. Forex dominator. Long positions in Forex dominator. All right, EURTRY. All right, still holding here. Buy signal was here, and finally looks like it wants to break out here. All right, candle is opening up here. All right, breaking out of that resistance here. I know it's been a long time waiting. All right, for a breakout here. So it looks like it finally wants to break out there. USD TRY, not in Forex Dominator now. I mean, not in Monster Scalper. This is in Forex Dominator. Slowly moving higher. Very, very, it's moving up, but very slowly. Okay. Hey, Solomon, welcome. All right. USD CZK. All right. Continuing to move higher. What a great trade this has turned out to be. Buy signal was here. You guys remember it, right? Took its time, right? Through this whole area here, finally broke out. Okay. So buy signal was here, trading up nicely. Again, good trade on the daily time frame. Dollar CAD. All right, dollar CAD. Boy, look at dollar CAD here. All right, you guys saw what's going on with the dollar pairs in Monster Scalper. Okay, for right now, you know, I would say if it breaks support here, you get a red candle, get out. We could get a bounce. Okay, it looks like it wants to bounce. But just keep an eye on that. Any of the dollar pairs long, keep an eye on those. Okay. Dollar Swiss buy signal here. That's holding so far. Let's bring in our trend lines here. Okay. All right. So here's your markdown phase markup. Here's your first target here. All right, right here. All right, that's dollar Swiss. Dollar CNH, all right, that's holding also. All right, markdown phase here. All right, markdown phase. Markup phase. Our buy signal is right here. Now, we had a red candle, got out and got back in here, okay? USD CNH, USD CZK. All right, buy signal was here. Here is your markdown phase, markup phase. Buy signal here, broke resistance. All right, so good trade going here. Next resistance, next target, all the way up here. Okay, USD CZK. USD DKK. All right, that's holding right here. All right, good markdown phase. Look at this markdown phase here. Now we've got to get past this area here to really see this pair move. Now, again, it's the dollar, right? The USD DKK. That is a concern. We could see sellers come in here. It's holding right now. All right, holding right now. Buyers came back in strong today with the Dow at 350 points up. Yesterday market was up. All right, but just remember, right? We can be up big one day, down big the next. So just keep that in mind. USD DKK buy signal here, holding so far. Okay, so I would keep an eye on your trades. USD HUF buy signal is here. That's moving up nicely there. Looking to approach resistance here. Again, this is a dollar pair. All right. Sellers are here. Sellers are here, moving up nicely. If it can get through here, all right. But if we get a move higher in the dollar, that would mean equity markets moving lower. Okay. USD SEK. All right. I would go ahead and close this one here. All right. All right, buy signal here, purpose support and resistance. It's consolidating here, and given the condition of the dollar, all right, the dollar index right here. Hold on. All right, here's the dollar index. Here's the buy signal here. All right, still green candles. Okay, a bit of a pullback. All right, so all right, it's still have a solid buy signal, but it is pulling back a bit. No white candles. So just keep that in mind. Okay. But this one here, a lot of consolidation. Hold on. Yeah, I would say just close this. This whole area here, right? This whole area here, look at this. Here, right? All in here, a lot of consolidation. Even if it breaks through here, look at this. It's got to deal with all of this consolidation. So just close it. USD SEK, close it in Forex Dominator. All right. And USD SGD. All right. This is holding so far. Keep an eye on it. All right, here's your target. First target here. This is where sellers came in before. If we can get past this area, now again, this is a dollar pair. So this is, right now, this is wishful thinking, right? But okay, but we know markets can change, all right? All right, CAD yen long, right? CAD yen long. We can, expect the yen pairs to continue to move higher as the equity markets move higher. Buy signal here, broke resistance, moving up nicely here. All right. We don't have any resistance on the daily, so it can certainly move higher. Pound yen in monster scalper. Buy signal here, bit of a pullback, holding, right? All green candles here. So holding, hopefully moves higher there. HKD JPY, all right, same thing. Buy signal here, all right. So the yen pairs are looking to break out. SGD JPY in Forex Dominator. Buy signal here, trading right at resistance. Dollar yen, buy signal here, trading right at resistance. Okay, so we could see a move. And ZAR yen, buy signal here, moving up nicely, making higher lows right here, heading towards resistance, hopefully break out. Okay, so Forex Dominator doing a much better job holding the yen pairs. And just remember, we had a previous run in the yen pairs for a lot of pips. So not quite overbought yet because they did pull back a bit. So The only short we have in Forex Dominator is EUR GBP. I would say go ahead and close the trade, guys. Okay, so sell short signal was here, right here, and we've got a white candle, right? We held it through here, but here we've got a white candle coming in here, and we are playing in a dangerous area here near support here. All right, we were hoping that the price would break support, move lower. All right, it struggled, so just close the trade. So buy signal was here, white candle, just close the trade. All right. EUR GBP there. Move that capital somewhere else. Okay. All right. Monster futures. Let's take a quick look. Monster futures. And then we'll look at equities. All right, live cattle, guys. Live cattle still holding. Buy signal here. Nice big candle. All right, holding, looking to get through its first target. Still working on its first target here. Live cattle. Lean hogs. Lean hogs, a bit of a pullback. All right, holding here. All right, holding here. S&P continuing to move higher, guys. Nice bounce today. All right. And holding right here. Looking to test resistance here. Buy signal, by the way, is all the way down here. All right. So at S&P trade still holding, guys. This is a big trade going here. And then feeder cattle, a bit of a pullback. All right. We needed to hold support here. Previous resistance is support. So we need that to hold right here. And buyers need to come back in, move higher. All right. So that's feeder cattle. We were looking at interest rates, bonds, and we saw a bid higher on bonds. But I think with the market move, that might have changed. Okay. Hold on. All right. So it looks like on Sunday, we'll look for some shorts, guys, in bonds. All right. There's some shorts coming in bonds. Okay. So things have kind of changed with bonds. Okay. So we'll take a look on Sunday. All right. Equities. Equities had a big day, which is not surprising. All right. So stock boss. So OMER, nice move in OMER. All right, so buy signal was here, OMER, guys, right at $2.98, $3. Nice move today. Buyers came in yesterday. Buyers came in today. All right, trading at $4.89. All right. Target is right here at $6. Okay. All right. So nice candles. Big buyers came in today. That's to be expected. Nice update today. LXRX. Look at that, guys. This one here, buy signal was at 150, right about here. All right, trading at 358. All right, so this one here has reached its second target. First target, second target, right? We don't have a third target here. So let's go to the weekly time frame. Good price action. Look at this trade, guys. On the weekly time frame, we have a buy signal that came in this week. All right. So and look at the potential all the way up to the highs at 19. All right, so new buy signal on the weekly. So if anyone is in this one, good trade, you did good. All right, so buy signal was at, like I said, 150, trading at 354. What's that, 3 points? Okay, so this one here, it's breaking the second resistance level. So let it run. Look at these big candles gapped up here. Right, great trade going there. LXRX. Okay, good trade. HYLN. Right, buy signal here. I think we got it right about here. Can't remember. I think it was about 80 something cents. Trading at 154. Good trade going. Heading towards first target, first resistance right here. All right, let's go ahead and put in a next second target up here. All right, and if we're lucky, we could get a third target all the way up here. Okay, but let's focus on this one. One step at a time. First target right here. Big candles. You guys see this here? Big candles coming in. That's good news there. Okay. All right. HCAT, red candle came in yesterday. Just go ahead and close this trade, guys. All right. Buy signal was at 880. Closed today. Closed yesterday. Red candle 946. Close the trade. Now it went up 1003 today, so but close it. Close the trade, please. HCAT. All right, next one. CYH, buy signal here. Nice price action. Heading right towards its first target here, then second target here. All right, so good price action. All this green, that's good, guys. All right, RYAM, all right, holding solid here. Keep an eye on this one. All right, you've got resistance here. But if the markets hold, we could move high. It could break out. It needs to break out of this area here. Okay. RYAM. That's holding. All right, holding. Holding. Good price action. Looking to test resistance there. Note looks good. Anthony's on it. Anthony, note. This is your trade. Where is it? All right. Note here. A bit of a pullback. All right. But still holding solid there. All right. FULC. Breaking resistance here, guys. Second target. Got through its first target. Right here, breaking resistance right now. Buy signal was at 472, trading at 940, close today. And we have it gap down here, so it's filling that gap. That's good news. Heading towards third resistance here. All right. Let's bring in a fourth resistance. All right. Good job with this trade here. Fourth resistance. We're going to bring that right about here. All right, which is about $13 from $4. Okay, good trade going there. All right, this is holding. All right, good price action. UIS, guys, UIS buy signal was at 383, and this one held through the selling. This was the pullback with all that selling, where the market intraday was down about 700 points on the Dow. So it held through all of that. All right. So this is a very strong stock, guys. Okay. So UIS buy signal was at right around 380, trading at 805. All right. Heading towards its second target, then the third target here, if it could make it, and then all the way up here, fourth target, which is right around $22. That would be great. All right. All right. Trading again, buy signal 381, trading at 805. Okay. I remember in the past, guys, years ago, when we got sell signals in the markets, we would just close all the trades. Tylak isn't here anymore. Tylak was here. And now we're trading trade by trade. You never know, right, what these trades will do. ALLO, buy signal here. That's holding firm. All right. All right, that's holding. All right, holding. Another good trade. NKTX, buy signal 195, close today at 1047. Purpose support and resistance here. All right, a bit of a pullback, but it's holding. We needed to get to third target right here. This is where we could see a lot of resistance in this area here. All right, so good trade going there. All right, purpose support and resistance. So just watch it. All right, good markdown phase there. Good buyers holding. RNA, that's holding. Good price action. Look at this markdown phase, guys. Good selling. Really good selling here. Okay. And buy signal here. We need that price to get all the way back up here. If it gets in this area here, then you really want to pay close attention because we know sellers are sitting here, here. Okay. All right. Just let it do its thing. RNA. All right. NKTR. All right. So we have NKTX. This is NKTR. Buy signal here. I think we got in right about in here. All right. Breaking resistance here. Buy signal was right at 55, 56, 57 cents. Trading at 74 cents. All right. We needed to get to this area here. All right. Keep an eye whenever these trades are down on an update. Today was a big update for the markets, and this was down. That's not good. Okay, that's not good. All right, CLVT. All right, white candles here. We needed to break resistance here. Okay, all right. So that's stock boss. So nothing to remove in stock boss. Let's take a look at bull master here. And then we'll take a quick look at monster scalper, and we'll be done. Be done for the week. All right, bull master. Remember, large cap stocks. Yeah. All right, OGN. All right, gapped up today. Good gap up here. All right, buy signal here. Gapped up. Looks good. All right, heading towards its target there. All right. Silk, that's holding. That's holding. Holding. FRO finally broke through, guys. Look at this. Sometimes it pays to be patient, right? Buy signal was here, right? Struggled here for a long time. All right, pull back here. All right, pull back here. Finally broke out. Look at that. So buyers are jumping in. All right. Now we do not have any resistance on this chart, which is good. We don't want resistance above if we can help it. All right. So on the weekly time frame, look at that, all-time highs on the weekly time frame breaking out here. Look at that. All right, let's take a look at a quick look at the monthly. All right, so on the monthly, we have a target of, look at this, a target or a high rather at 300. All right, guys, $355. That's where this stock fell from, FRO. All right. All right. Look at the price action on the monthly time frame. All right. Very bullish. Very bullish. So let's go back. So 355. Let's go back to the daily, our trading window. So our buy signal was at $22, guys, trading at 23. All right. And it fell from 355. All right. An amazing discount on this trade. Okay. Nice breakout. Struggle. It has struggled here. Okay. It has struggled. It is trading well, though. It's had a couple of good trades from the bottom. The low was at 13. All right. $13 and change. First buy signal was at 1584. Sell signal 1674.71. Next signal buy was at 1872. Closed at $20. Now it's the buy signal here. Hopefully this is the one that really takes off there. FRO. All right, let's get through these. ALGN, that's holding. All right, MKSI, guys, buy signal all the way down here, broke through, right, moving higher here. All right, buy signal was at 83, close today, 123. Next target, it's gotten past resistance here. Look at that, it's getting past these sellers here. Next target all the way up here. All right, good trade going there. All right, this is good, trading up nicely there. This is holding good. ARHS, buy signal was here, right here on 9 and change. Here it is right here, right at resistance. This area here, which is $13, call it 13 even. That's an area of concern. This is where sellers came in before, and they came in heavy, gap down here. This is where they came in before. Here we are now with a purple support and resistance. Now it looks good to break through. So if anyone is in it, just keep an eye on it. Make sure you don't get any white candles here. We need to break through strong, big candles there, okay? All right, that's holding. All right, same with DV, guys. DV, here is where, this is resistance here. Look what happened, gap down before. You guys have seen this in the past, where traders will come in heavy at resistance and short. All right, so here we are again, right here. Buy signal was at 30, right at $30, trading at $41. Just keep an eye on it, okay? Right? Just keep an eye. It did gap down here, and they held the support here. Gap down here, held support. Now it's looking to test resistance again. Hopefully it breaks through, but keep an eye on it there. All right, LQD8, that's a reaccumulation trade. And so far, it's working out nice. All right, previous trade was a buy signal right here at right about 7, sell at 11, and now buy signal at 13, trading at 14.83 right now. So this is holding. That's a reaccumulation trade there. S is holding well. All right, buy signal was at $18, trading at 30, broke. All right, second resistance level, heading towards third resistance level right here. AMD continues to move higher here. All right, buy signal here at 110, trading at 176. Great trade here. And I think AMD is all-time highs. Hold on. Let's look at the monthly here. I think it's all-time. Yep, all-time high territory. So it's trading right along with the indexes. Okay. All right, and one more, and then we'll take a look at Monster Scalper, and we'll be done. HUBS trading up nicely here. A bit of a pullback, but looks good. All right, so nothing to change in equities. All right. All right. All right, Monster Scalper, guys. Let's see if we can find some new opportunities. I think we could see the Aussie pairs move. All right, so yesterday this was choppy in here. All right, volatility is still good over here. All right, the leading pairs, the Swiss pairs, right? So dollar Swiss, all right, the number one pair there, Euro Swiss, and then let's see here, yen pairs have moved down a bit. All right, New Zealand Swiss is right here. The yen pairs have dropped. All right, CAD yen, that's the only yen pair that's up in this range. That's low there. So CAD yen is here. All right, Swiss yen. All right, we need a buy signal here. Pound yen drop. We know we moved pound yen. All right, pound yen. Pound yen has a, Hold on 1 second. We've had data issues today. So pound yen. Let's see here. I would love for us to keep pound yen. Hold on. GBP, JPY. Oh, yeah. So here we're showing 2 red candles on pound yen. I know some of you have had the same issues. Pound yen right here. So we're not showing any red candles here with pound yen on this time frame. Hold on. All right. Let's see here. We'll just reset the chart here. Anthony, it's good. So on your end, you're showing a. Hold on, guys. I think it's crashed on me. Huh? Hold on. I've been having issues all day. All right, so it has TradeStation has crashed. All right, so sorry about that, guys. So Anthony, on your end, it's all green. It's all green. Okay, so stay in pound yen then. All right, so pound yen is still good, but TradeStation has crashed on me. So we'll call it a night, call it a week. Okay. So Sunday we'll get back to this. Okay, guys. Our monster traders, I will see you guys tomorrow. We're going to move our roundtable to half an hour. I know on Fridays, right? No one wants to stay Fridays for an hour. So we've moved it for half an hour. So on Fridays, we'll get you guys in and out quickly. All right. So from 5 to 5:30, get you guys in and out. And beginning traders, new traders, I'll see you guys on Saturday, 11 a.m. All right, guys. Eastern time. Eastern time. All right. Take care, guys. Have a good evening. Great trading. Great trading. Okay. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.